We've been talking about the laser procedure for skin resurfacing. We've been showing some photos throughout our conversation that show some of the befores and afters, and some of them are extremely dramatic in the differences.
I think that as with any procedure, we have varying levels of satisfaction, but I think that laser is, in general, a very satisfactory procedure with a real high level of favorable response. Again, and the main reason for that is the dramatic improvement that we can obtain. I think that if there is one complaint about it, it is the length of time that the pinkness or the redness can remain on certain individuals. And certainly that it would be nice if we could predict ahead of time that your skin color, the redness will last a month and a half. Yours will last 3.5, and that's impossible. So I just warn everybody that there's varying levels or various lengths of time that's a bit of a problem.
Right, and from what we've seen, as you mentioned, the varying lengths of time, but on average the worst is going to be 7 to maybe 14 days. Would that be?
Of the acute rawness?
Right.
Oh, sure.
Right.
Oh, sure.
And the long-term effects are going to be...
and once that redness is gone, it's amazing how quickly one can forget that they had that.
Yes.
When they see the dramatic improvement. And that's another beauty of laser, is you see results literally almost immediately, because we literally laze the wrinkles away.
Yeah. I just mentioned the long-term results. Now, on those long-term, are they indefinite? Will we, over time, see the wrinkles reappear?
Well, I wouldn't want to tell anyone that it is definitely permanent, but when we do, for instance, a facelift or a skin tightening procedure, generally tell people 7 to 10 years before you start seeing recurrence of what's going on. Keep in mind you're 7 to 10 years older, so you're always going to be ahead of the game for someone your age. Similar situation with laser, except I think those results are much longer. Certainly the aging process continues, but with laser the skin thickens as it heals, so we get more connective tissue in the deeper layers of the skin. So quite honestly, we've only been using laser for skin resurfacing for 2 years, but we can extrapolate that into the deeper chemical peels that we used to do. And those effects were very long lasting, 15, 20 years before you even started seeing some recurrence of the wrinkles.
So that takes us back to there's no need to wait until you feel like your wrinkles have come to a point where now I can get them taken care of so they'll last longer. You want to get them early, and the results are going to stay with you longer.
Absolutely.